Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to run n8n locally on your computer for free. First, you need to make sure that node.js and npm are installed. Start by downloading node.js. Open your web browser and go to the official node.js website. On the home page, you will see the download options. Click on it and your download will begin. When the file finishes downloading, open it to start the installation. Follow the steps in the installer. You can keep all default settings. When the installation is done, Node.js and npm will be ready on your system. Next, you will install n8n globally on your machine. This means you can run it from anywhere without extra setup. First, open the terminal. It can be PowerShell or CMD. In your terminal, type the command npm install n8ng, press enter and wait while it downloads and installs. The process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and system performance. When the installation finishes, you will be able to start n8n right away. To launch n8n, stay in your terminal and type n8n start. You can also simply type n8n. After you run the command, the application will begin to start up. Once it is running, you can access the n8n interface in your browser. Open your preferred browser and go to this address. This address will load the n8n setup page on your machine. The setup wizard will ask you to create your admin account. After the setup is complete, you will see the n8n dashboard where you can create and run workflows. Thanks for watching.